If you want to actually learn to code, stay and watch. But if you want the answer without doing the hard work, leave and go watch someone else. I will show you what you should code using comments, but you have to write your own code if you're going to learn anything. First, you want to include CS50.h and stdio.h. You want to use a do while loop to grab the user's input, so it does it over and over again if there is invalid input. Then you want to use a while loop to handle the printing of the spaces. So to make a right aligned pyramid, you have to print the spaces and then trail with the hash. Within the while loop, you want to print out the bricks. I recommend you use a separate function to print out the bricks. You can print out the bricks within the while loop that prints out the spaces, but it's just cleaner to use a separate function. Also remember in C, make sure to declare your function at the beginning. Now it's your job to code the logic into actual code.